Today I have 5 different regular chips. And the first one that I'm gonna have is Lay's, then Old Dutch, then Walmart, then Ruffles, then Wavy, onions. So those are the 5 that I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna try Lay's right now. Also, don't pop chips, they'll go everywhere. Okay, so Lay's tastes like potato, but you fry it and you put salt on it. That's what it tastes like, with a little touch of vinegar. And I rank this out of 10, a 9. Okay, so now it's up to Old Dutch. Almost the same thing, but it has more of a salt flavor in it. So out of 10, rank it 7. Now Walmart. I think I had Walmart before. Yep, I did. Way better than all the chips, so it's a 10. 10 out of 10. Now, Ruffles. Jerry's favorite chips. My neighbor, if you don't know him. Can't open it. Ugh. Okay, good. Way better than Lay's, but it kind of tastes like Old Dutch, but still a 10. So now I'm on Lay's Lanes. Camera. No, I'm not gonna pop it. Oh, thanks. Okay, so this is like a real potato. So I would rank this if it was 20 out of 10, it would be 11, but I still think it's 11 for some reason. But I can't do 11, so it's a 10. So I tried all these 5 chips. These, the Walmart, Ruffles, and Wavy Lays. They win for today. Subscribe.